Righto, let's make this thing rotate. We're going to use the Revolute Mate. We're going to select the top of the slider, top of the hole, come on, there we go. And we're going to select the underside of the hole on there. We've got our first one done. Give it a tick. And then we're going to do our second Revolute Mate. We're going to go there, and we're going to do the bottom side of this hole again. So we get it exactly right. You'll see it pops out, and we can see that that's rotating. That's good. So when we come up and have a look, you'll notice it jumped out at the start and then it's popped itself back in the sliders. That's good. Righto, we're almost there. So what we should be able to do now is, once we've got no mating selected, you should be able to rotate it and you'll see that it slides in. So we're looking pretty good. So let's go through. We've got 3 pieces left. Let's get the last couple done. So we're going to do the pin sliders and then we can do the handle one. These are going to be fasten mates. So we're going to grab this one here first. Fasten mate. We're going to make the bottom side of that with the top of that hole. And we're going to do the same to the other one. So give that a tick. Another fasten mate. Grab the bottom side and put that on the top. Solved. Last one to go. Let's get this little handle. So with the handle we want the underside there, and we're going to do that to the top side of our hole, which is that one there. And we're set. Give it a tick, and we should be. We have a look at the top view. Let's go ISO. Should be able to move the handle, and everything is just nice.
See what I've just done there.
Good job.